What's up, y'all? We are going to a vacant. We are in the fine town of Gluckstadt, Mississippi, which is about 20 minutes drive from the shop. There's a bunch of neighborhoods back in here, and some of them are rentals, so we have to rekey them quite a bit. It's in Madison County, which is the county just north of Hines County that the shop's in. And again, it's about a 20 to 20, depending on where you're going out here. It's like a 20 to 25 minute drive. This one's about a 25-minute drive. Out in the country, they sell a cornfield, turn it into a subdivision. Next thing you know, all the cornfields are gone and subdivisions are in its place. So there's about a bajillion houses out here that turn over frequently. It's a very common area. Now Gluckstadt, I've had a couple of people over the years when I'm up in Gluckstadt, it's Gluckstadt, like what was I talking about? I remember what I was talking about. Yeah, it is German. It's got like German roots, and they actually have or had, I don't know if they still have it or not, but it's like a Gluckstadt festival where they sell like sausages and sauerkraut, you know, typical German foods and music and all sorts of stuff. I hadn't been to one in years. Anyway, yeah, it's but nowadays there's not a lot of Germans up here. It's mostly, you know, just people that live in a German-sounding town. Oh, go! Come on. Cornfield. I think it's vacant. Why not? Watch most. Nobody's here. This one will be the standard, possibly storage room with no key lock. Okay. So let's take these guys off. Oh, SmartKey. Hey. A working SmartKey? Yes. Always retract that. Alright, even though it's a SmartKey, we do need to tighten that up almost always. We're going to make sure those screws are in the slots for it and tighten it down. And hope that our SmartKey reset works. Okay, I'll move on for that one. All the doors. No. Nope. Back door here. I always check them. That way I know when I'm out of the truck if I'm going to need to bring something back. No SmartKey. Okay. Got a nice mixture here. Okay, this one should have that same screw screws set up. Today we are using the PB Swiss number 2x4 inch Phillips screwdriver, my favorite. Oh, thanks again, Stuart XP, for that. You sent me my favorite screwdriver ever. Appreciate it. The flathead, not so much. Alright. Close the door so the cats that sometimes are here don't get out. But nobody's here, so there's no cats. And we have a Defiant and looks like a LSDA look-alike. Easy Set or Gatehouse. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna might draw the bolt just a bit there. It's one less step for me to have to do. And by that, meaning, get out. That, instead of having to flip it. Alright, let's set this off to the side. And we're gonna poke this guy. Now, here's the thing about this. Sometimes it's better to leave it on there if it's really rock hard. Like, just leave it and be gentle with the door. But if there's a lot of people coming in and out the door, the worst thing that can happen is the door could slam and it could separate and fall on the ground and ding it. So that's the worst thing that could happen. So it's kind of a personal decision on to whether or not you need to take this off or on. I'm making, since there's nobody here, I'm just going to be careful with it and leave it on. But if there was kids and such going in and out, I would definitely take it off. Alright. Somewhere in there is a hole for your poker tool. If I can see it, I know you can't see it. It's either going to be at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or slightly offset on the underside if the key holds up correct. So in that case, you have to come in. Oh, and we could take this off. Let's just take it off for now. Retainer here is at like 4 o'clock position, right there. Right there, not exactly. So this means this is an older version, because now they're all 90 degrees, or at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Here it's on this side or at the other, so 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And you have to turn the knob to access the retainer one way or another. Yep, there it is. And there it is. Just like that. Also, tighten the knob. And you always want to kind of try to take these off, you know, so it doesn't fall down in there. Okay, make sure and close the door gently because of the trim. Okay, stay. You might catch a glare. Actually, go on over here. Get in the bag. There we go. And your strap. SmartKey. So with SmartKey, I actually go check my 4 keys first. That way, you don't have to reset everything. So all the SmartKey cylinders first get a resetting before we rekey the regular locks to it. So I'm just going to take 4, 2, 3, 4 off this set. I think I'm actually going to be using 3, so I'll take the rest of these and cut 1 depth difference and use it in an entirely different possible town. Nowhere near here, so perfectly fine. Let's steal one of these rings. very good ring, but it'll serve for my purposes. Let's go reset this real quick. First we'll check it, make sure it's not... Oh, watch out, I almost lost that cap. Oh, gotta be careful about that. Let's make sure this doesn't fit these. Yep. Is it different? It is indeed different. So let's put this here, 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 and here. Actually, what we can do, since we're going back, do this. Go ahead and put this knob back on the back door, so we don't have to deal with it. Some people like taking these to the door, popping it off at the door, you know. Yeah, if you want to do that. Okay, let's take these 3 keys and our necessary lubricant. Alright, close the door. Looks good. that's always spooky when that happens. It's just air pressure. Okay, thank you very much. Stay closed. Okay, I can feel that. Stop it, I'm just here working. Just here working. Then I gotta turn the key to get that to go in. Don't drop your key. Yep. And check. Okay. Happy Halloween. You want a selfie with me? Okay. Okie doke. Dang rubber seal. And back in the box you go. Gently tucked away. Another vacant down. Thanks for watching. Just you know, one of many rentals. It gets turned over once a year sometimes more than that. I feel like that house is a little haunted though. That may be why there's such high turnover at this one, because I'm out here quite a bit. Thanks for watching though, and happy Halloween. Yeah, I can't get my damn things out of my thing here. Long drive back to the shop. Do I need anything at Home Depot? Of course I do. It's a silly question. I need wood. I need 2x4s. I do need wood, actually, honestly. What else do I have to do today? One of them flaked out on us. The other one is not that big of a deal because it's Friday and they're already out of the office, so that'll be a Monday thing. Yeah. Back to the office we go. Actually, I go to Home Depot and get some wood. I need some wood, and I'd rather get it. Home Depot's not great, but they are better than the Lowe's.